you ever wanted to walk out on an Alaskan glacier, to view Mother Nature up close and personal, to see things with a new perspective, and to have a professional guide lead you on an interpretive hike, then contact MICA Guides for a trek on the glacier, either morning, midday, or evening. MICA Guides is located roughly 2 hours away from Anchorage on milepost 102.5 on the Glen Highway. Here, they'll outfit you with everything you need to walk out on a glacier, including crampons, helmets, bags, jackets, and boots. If you wish to try something a little more adventurous, then go ice climbing with us. We'll tie you in and teach you different ice climbing techniques that'll get you climbing the steep walls of ice by the end of the day. For over 10 years, we've been leading people of all ages and all abilities on the Matanuska Glacier. Join us.